Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi issue in very easy way. So first of all, what we can do, uh, we need to just click on here, and sometimes what is happening, sometimes we didn't the Wi-Fi option is not be clicked, or maybe the airplane mode is on. So okay, so that's why we are not be able to see any Wi-Fi signs. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to just uh, turn off the airplane mode and then click on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so from here we need to we can see here our network, our Wi-Fi list, and type your password and it will be working. Okay, if the issue is still not be resolved, then what we can do, we need to just click on search icon and then command prompt. Okay, so click on run as administrator. What we need to do, we need to check the hardware issues. So first of all, we need type here ping space 127 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1. Okay, so doing this, we can see here as the reply is coming. Okay, so it means there is no hardware issue, there is a windows 10 issue. Okay, now what we can do, click on start button, then search for control panel. Okay, now click on the control panel, and now search here for the internet option. Okay, so click on the internet option and then click on advanced tab and then restore advanced setting. After that, click apply and OK. Okay, and now close the tab. Now press window plus R and then type here services.msc. Okay, click on OK, and then you can see here all the services are listed. Okay, these are the Windows services. Okay, search here for the WLAN config. Okay, so WLAN config, yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see here, in my case it is in running state. So first of all, double click on it and check for the that the state is running or not. So if the state is not running, then the start option will be highlighted. Okay, in my case it is already started. Click OK, and you can simply click on restart. And you can restart the window. Okay, so after restart, if the issue is still not resolved, okay, then what we can do, we need to right click here and then click on open network and internet setting. Okay, so from there click on the change adapter options and then right click on it. In my case, you can see we can enable and disable this option, this Wi-Fi option. With doing this thing, sometimes it is working. Okay, so that's why I'm working it. Now close this tab, again close this tab, click on search icon and then type here settings. Okay, and click on network and internet and then click on network reset. Okay, so it will reset all the network settings. Okay, so after click on the reset now, and then you can need to restart the window. So it will reset all the network settings including your Wi-Fi password also. Okay, so just restart the window and it will start working. If the issue still persists, then we need to click on the search icon and then type here device manager. Okay, click here, look for the network adapter and then select for the network, double click on it and click on drivers and then click on uninstall the drivers. Okay, so click here and uninstall the driver. Okay, and then restart the PC. Okay, after restart the PC, it will automatically fetch the driver, and then search for your Wi-Fi and then type the password. Now if the switch will persist, then click on the open network and settings, and then again click the change adapter option, and then right click on it, go to the properties, click on IPv4, and then provide here Google IP address, okay, in the preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server section. Okay, we can provide here Google IP address like 8.8.8.8. Okay, and 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Okay, now click here and select your Wi-Fi and click on connect and type your password, and it will be start working, right? So it is connecting now. So as you can see here, my Wi-Fi symbol is showing now. We can also check for the internet. So let's close this tab and click on Google, and select your YouTube. As you can see here, my internet is working now. If you face any issue, then please comment below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.